Hello, mathematicians. Welcome back to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we'll be working on our computational fluency. We are going to continue practicing our quick facts routine by completing a Scout Them Out page in your Number Corner book. So here's what you need: your Number Corner book and a pencil. You can pause the video now to get your materials. Now that you have what you need, we need to take a look at our last Quick Facts page. Remember, when you do Quick Facts this month, you will just choose one Quick Facts page to work on, and you'll use that page to complete your Scout Them Out page. So you need to go back into Seesaw and find the page you completed last time. You had 5 different choices. I chose to complete the Add 9 and Add 10 page. So I timed myself, I answered all my questions, and I know that I completed my facts between 1 and 1.5 minutes. I got 20 sums correct, and that tells me that I can say that I've mastered these facts if I haven't already. That also tells me that when I work on my Scout Them Out page, I can choose a different set of facts to work on. So I'm going to go back to my student book and make sure I show that I've mastered not only my Add 9 facts, but also my Add 10 facts if I haven't already. So let's take a look at that page in our Number Corner books. Remember, page 60 says Addition Table for Fact Mastery. You should have quite a few of these facts mastered so far. If you have any missing, remember that's what we work on in Quick Facts. Now I know that I've now mastered my Add 10 and Add 9 facts. They're already filled in yellow and brown. So I'm all filled in on this page. Check to make sure that you are filling in your facts on this page too when you master a quick fact or an addition fact. Now that we've filled in this page, we can get to work on that Scout Them Out page. Let's have a look at it. Here is your Scout Them Out Addition I page. Remember, if you don't have your Number Corner book, you can complete this in Seesaw. If you do have your Number Corner book, this is on page 80. Finish it with a pencil and then take a picture and put that page right here. Only work in Seesaw if you don't have your Number Corner book. This page says for number 1, if you demonstrated fluency on 2 categories of facts and leftovers, complete all the facts on this page. If you are working on a single category or 2 categories of facts, circle the strategy or strategies you are practicing today. Well, that's totally different than our last Scout Them Out page. So if you're like Miss Tyne and you completed your last page and you got at least 18 of the sums correct, well, you are going to complete all the facts on this page. That means you're not circling anything. You're just completing all of the facts in number 4 and writing equations in number 5. If you did not master the facts on your last Quick Facts page, if you got less than 18 sums correct, if you did not finish in less than 1.5 minutes, then you are working on either your count on facts. An example of a count on fact would be 3 plus 9. You are working on your make 10 facts. An example of a make 10 fact would be 7 plus 3. Or you are working on your doubles facts. A doubles fact example would be 4 plus 4. or you're working on a doubles plus or minus 1 fact. A good example of that would be 8 plus 7. You can work on your add 9 facts. A good example of add 9 would be 9 plus 10. You can work on your add 10 facts. A good example of that would be 10 plus 8. Or those leftover facts. If you worked on the leftover facts page, you know that those are all the facts that don't fit into our other categories, and you can work on some of those. Whichever facts you choose to work on, and you circle and solve all those facts, go back when you're done and solve all of the facts on this page. Every addition fact should be solved for number 4, and then you should work on your subtraction equations for number 5. Lots of work to do today, mathematicians, but you're all set and ready to go now. Show your teacher your work when you're done, and I will see you next time for Number Corner.